Hey everyone, I am Miss Karen. This is part 2 of our letter recognition. And you guess what letter we were working on? You can probably see it now, huh? It comes after W. There, it's our letter X. Okay, and we have a name line, so I got to put my name on my page so teacher knows who did it. I am Miss Karen. Okay, so where are we in our alphabet? Okay, let's look at our numbers here, our letters, sorry. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Here's X. Way out here is our X. Look, we only have 3 more letters, X, Y, Z. So it says, when I was saying in our first segment of our letter X, it's really hard to come up with some letters and words that we use some of these last 3 letters of our alphabet with. But some words for the letter X would be like X-ray, okay, and fox. Fox is related to a dog. And then, box. And how about socks? Okay, so that's some ways that we use our X. A lot of words that make the X sound at the beginning, like extra. Okay, see there's an X there. Okay. E-X-T-R-A. It has to have an E in front of the X to make that extra sound because, well, we like vowels when we start making words. So most of the times when you hear the X sound at the beginning of a word, it starts EX. Okay, so tips and tricks for the letter X. Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit of numbers. So let me get our number line here. Okay, these are putting your ducks in a row. And now we're moving up. We're working up to number 20 on this. Okay, so let's see. Miss Karen, put my name on my page. Okay, so this is the number line. You know, kind of crude, but anyone can make, a number line to help you guys out. Okay. So if you see, I've kind of let's look at my number line again, okay? If you see, we have numbers, 1, 1, 1, 1, but we also have 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you bet this one would be? Probably 5, huh? Yep. And then here, this is our 2's row, and this is our column, and our 4 column, and our 5, and a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only thing that's changing is as you do each row, because this is our 1's, this is our 10's. So to write 10's, we have a 1 in front of them. Okay? And to write our 20's, we put a 2 in front of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5's. And to write our 30's, we put a 3 in front of them. Okay, but today we're only working on the first part. 1 through 20. You see all those? Here's where it gets tricky, because I like you guys to see your number line. Okay, but I also like to see our ducks in a row. Okay, so what I'll just do is we'll just fold this. I'll fold this in half as we do it. That way we can see our things. Okay, so what we need to do is write the missing number. Okay, so we're starting with number 10. So here's our 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so here's 10 and 12. So here's 10 and 12. What number's between 10 and 12? It's kind of hard because it's over here. It's the 11. Okay. Now, what number is between, or what number comes next on this one? 15. Here's 15. 16. What comes next? There's 17 up there in the corner. Okay, fold my paper. So it just makes it easier. Try and keep everything in visual for you. Okay, now we have something 14, 15. Well, here's 14 and here's 15. What comes before 14? What number is this one? That's 13. So we put our 13 here. And then we have 17. Here's 17. And we need something and 18. Oh, 19. Oh, missed. I gave you the answer. So what comes between 17 and 19? 18. Okay, now our last little row of ducklings. Okay, so what do we have here? So we have 12, 12, 12, 13. What comes next? What goes right here? What's after 13? 14. And then we have 11. So here's 11 and 12. What number comes before 11? Go back up. Go up a row. Go up to our ones. The 10. Yay! Some of these. So we got 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 12, 13, 14, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you do a lot of these in like preschool and kindergarten, just getting your numbers together. Make sure we're really strong on them so we can start adding and subtracting them. So really good practice for everyone. Now we're going to do something fun. I like these. So this is a read and find. Haven't done one of these in a little bit. So with these, we have to find the hidden shapes, hidden symbols, pictures. Okay, so this one is on summer. Okay, and I'm Miss Karen, so I put my name up here. Okay, so we have words here, and over here we have pictures. So, like, we have sun, flip-flop, palm tree, beach, ball, sand, castle, crab, shell, sand dollar, sailboat, and pail. Okay, so over here we're going to have pictures that match these words, and we need to find them. Okay, so see right here, I see the sun popping up. So here's sun. Look, here's a picture of the sun right here. Boop, boop, boop. I'll probably just color all these one color today. Okay, and then we put a little check in our box that we found our sun. So we need flip-flop, palm tree, beach ball, sand castle, crab, shell, sand dollar, sailboat, and pail. Okay, so let's look at some of these. Here's a witch hat, a quarter, a donut. That could probably be the pail. Yeah, that looks like a beach pail maybe. You make a little sand castle in. Or you just, carry your Legos in it. Okay, so then we have a tiger, a heart, a teapot, a car, a sock, a fish, a button, a duck, some dice, a hamburger, I think that's a bell, gumball, a bee. Oh, there's the flip-flop. Where's the flip-flop? There's flip-flop. Give it a check. So palm tree, beach ball, sand castle, crab, shell, sand dollar, sailboat. Okay, sandwich, frog. That looks like a cup, palm tree, an arrow, a balloon, a tiger. Oh, beach ball. This looks like a beach ball right here. Okay, so there's our beach ball. And we have palm tree, sand castle, crab, shell, sand dollar. So cake, carrot, Christmas tree, looks like a chick, maybe a leprechaun, a candle, a flower, a can, a swan, a rainbow, a giraffe, another funny bear, looks like a garbage can, a zebra, fire, donut, ant, frog, umbrella, newspaper, shamrock, stop sign, some sort of plant. Oh, here's a crab. We have to find the crab. Yeah, we do. So see, these are all things that are on the beach. So it's kind of easy, and when we're looking at some of these pictures, I mean, obviously, if it doesn't look like something belongs on the beach, like, does a giraffe belong on a beach? Nah, we just keep on going. So there's our crab. So we still need a shell, a sand dollar, a sailboat, a sand castle, and a palm tree. Oh, yeah, there's the palm tree. I heard somebody say palm tree. There's Karen. It's up above. There's the palm tree. Okay, so let's keep going. Looks like a crest, maybe cattails, an igloo, a hand, a bird, a dog bone, a spoon, a flag, a sailboat. Do we have a sailboat? We do have a sailboat right there. Okay, there's our sailboat. A bed, a jar, an elephant, a bee, and a gum. Oh, there's the sandcastle. Sandcastle, sandcastle, sandcastle. There we go. So we still need a shell, a sand dollar. Just a shell and a sand dollar. Okay, so there's a train and a coat, a light bulb, a flamingo. That looks like a seashell. Seashells by the seashore. Okay, and then a sand dollar. Some of you might not know a sand dollar. There's turtle, a lamb, a volcano, grapes. I think that might be an iguana. Oh, this looks like a sand dollar right here. Sand dollar has this kind of funky, like, little star shape in the middle of it, and it's flat, and then they're usually about that big. Okay, so there's our sand dollar. All right, so we have checks by everything. So we found everything's fun in the summer that we might encounter at the beach. Okay, so working with the letter X to review some of the words. Okay, so X is for X-ray. Okay, and like fox and box and like mixed, like when you mix a cake. And then we have words like extra and let's see, excellent. Okay, so see when it has the extra and excellent, you have an E in front of those X's. The only one that doesn't do that is X-ray, and you usually, I'm going to say you should always properly hyphenate the X hyphen, or a little dash, ray is how you say that, and spell it, so X-ray. Okay, so there's our letter X. Alright, now hopefully a few more days we can all be coming back together as we're finishing up our letter recognition. So, I mean, you guys are going to be ready to go with some fun summer school stuff. Alright.